Hey guys, we're back again with another try on haul. Today I received my first package from Blush Mark and I decided to do a Shein versus Blush Mark showdown. And I'm just gonna jump straight right into it and we will see if Blush Mark is really all the hype, because you know Shein is getting a little overpriced. Y'all doing a lot. Y'all still cheap though, but y'all just doing too much. They started to know their worth and I don't know how I feel about that, because the prices are reflecting their worth. When Blush Mark, on the other hand, I can work with these. I can work with these prices. $3 here, $2 there. In case you guys are wondering what this is on my arm,
I got vaccinated today.
Yeah, so don't look at it because I don't want you to look at it because it feels weird that you're looking at it, so don't stare at it, please. Thanks. Alright, so let's jump straight into it. Okay, so here's my Blush Mark package, my first ever Blush Mark package. Okay, so also today we will be having a guest star, Raven. She's our guest star today. Again, she didn't know she was our guest, but yeah, here she is.
Hi guys.
She says hi. She said to put us on hold. She works as a customer service representative. She's used to doing that.
I place you on a brief hold.
It's her reflexes. She can't help it. What can I say? Which one do you think we should do first, Raven? Shein or Blush Mark?
Shein.
It's an OG. We gotta give her the respect she needs. You right. She did it. So to make this fair, I've kind of comprised my top Shein outfits in my cart that I purchased and my top Blush Mark outfits to compete against each other. So you can see based on how the materials of each item look and like, is this cheap or is it classy? Let's go. Okay, so this is the top. I kind of really like this top. It's like knit and kind of cute. Gives me like a cozy vibe. The material is really nice. It's not thin or anything. It's really nice material, not thin at all. Inside and out it's the same. I did wish it was longer. It's not cropped or anything. You see like my belly's already trying to come out. Like that's not gonna be okay when I eat. So Raven moved to this side. That's Raven in the background. Raven, you look like you kind of look like, you're giving me serial killer like vibes. In the corner you kind of look like a ghost, not gonna lie. Like, why do you look like that? I don't know.
Just a figment of your imagination.
She'll get over it. She's right. Alright, so this is the next top. Absolutely love her. I think this is such a beautiful color, to be honest. Like, it's so pretty. Like, this is the material right here and it's not thin. When fall comes, this will so be in for me. So I'm still putting this top on, but Raven says she likes it.
10 out of 10. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Walk around, work it, work it.
Work.
Yeah, like it. Come on, girl. Work it, girl. Give a swirl. Move your hips and smile for the camera. Work. Head to the left. Work. Head to the right. Work. Sashay. Sashay. Alright. It's definitely worth every little penny spent. Who's that girl? Na 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 na. Neeks that girl.
Are you gonna make us get copyright issues? You just see the blur in the background singing. You're like a little fuzzy blur. She looks like a broccoli.
Wow.
Like a piece of broccoli.
A burnt piece of broccoli.
That's racist. Okay, I'm done. Let me actually review this top. So as you can see, we love this top. It's giving the girls what they wanted. It's cute, it's nice, it's... Where are we going? Let's go. I'm ready. Material's great. Buy this top. If you like it, you see it, you like it, like...
Buy the top.
The only thing I could say is I'm sorry I just ate. That's all. Raven keeps coming for me and saying that these shorts with this shirt is not cute.
You look confused on where you want to go.
No. I could dress these up and make them look good.
No, you can't.
Don't pay attention to the blur in the back. This is cute. So these are the jeans. I got these in a medium and they fit well. I also have black ones that are relatively the same thing but in a large. and the medium fit me quite well. I actually really like these ones. And like, I've ordered jeans on Shein. This I think is either my second or third. Like, I have jeans jackets, jeans pants, and honestly my best jeans I would say come from Shein. I love my Shein jeans, and I bought ones on like Fashion Nova and other brands, and like I spent $50 on one pair of jeans. Now I know I'm gonna hold my coins and buy $20 jeans on Shein. That's on period. Boo. This is all for the Shein stuff that I'm gonna show. I'm gonna head on to the Blush Mark items now. I'm gonna open my first Blush Mark package. Ugh. Okay, you ready, Raven? 1. Oh, it actually like hit me. Yeah, it hit me in my face, and it was not as cute as I wanted it to be. That was depressing.
That was traumatizing.
Okay, so to switch it up a bit, I'm gonna start it off with the accessories from Blush Mark. I bought some glasses. You should come closer, Raven. She doesn't want to come closer.
As my head spin, giddy, we fly, no lie, and you know it. Bowling. That's what she look like.
She's not lying. I feel like I look like I'm at the court side watching my baby do his thing. Okay.
Hooray. You do look courtside. You get courtside with that.
I'm feeling the courtside vibe. The paparazzi. I'm loving the glasses though. This is the inside of the case. You guys can see the glasses a little. The Shein one to this is way much like nicer. This one's really cheap. So Raven's trying to run away right now.
Bye, you guys.
I tried to tell her not to go, and she just said she's gonna go anyways.
I'm gonna go now.
Okay, so this is the next top that I have. Super duper cute and simple. Not the most secure top, but simple. I think it's so cute that Blush Mark has these little tags on there. Like, she never did that. Come on. This top is so cute. I love the pop of color. This is a back. Super duper love her. Super duper gotta buy her. It's giving me island times. I feel like it's inspired me to go outside right now. The only problem with this top is that I needed a tutorial like on how to put this top together. So I had to take the strings, use a bobby pin, and like put it onto the string and push it through, because I had to like string the top together in order to get it on my body. But other than that, if you bought it, you know how to wear it thanks to moi. So please go ahead and like this video below and subscribe. Bye. Bye. This one is, she's inspiring me to go live my life. Like, I love her. From the last top that I just put on, this one is very similar to it. It has that deep cut like the last one, but this one is white, you know, because she's classy. But what I love about this top is that it is so like long, which is what I wanted from those tops from Shein, and they weren't even hot girl tops, so I don't get why they weren't long. But obviously I have it out so you guys could see what it looks like. It's like silky. This is the material, not see-through, and it's like silky, and I like silk. So the next piece that I'm gonna be wearing is a set, and it is my final piece for today. I decided that for my next video I might be doing a swimsuit try and haul for all the swimsuits that I have from Shein, which is a lot because I love swimsuits. So let me know if you guys want to see a swimsuit try and haul. I'm gonna jump straight into the next item, so let's go. Okay, I'm back. Now this set is, I don't have much words, so I'm gonna let the set do the talking for me. Just give me 1 second. This set, love this set, y'all. Love this set. The material though, it could do a little bit better, not gonna lie. I probably would rate it a 5, to be honest, out of 10. Also, this one itself needed a whole manual just to assemble. It was a lot. I love this outfit, give me the baddie vibes. Now for the final part of the video. It's time to talk about who won the contest. All in all, we're doing this based on the material of the product, and I would say it wasn't really a fair fight because my Shein clothes were really more like not really going out clothes, and then my Blush Mark clothes were very much going out hot girl style. It wasn't really a fair fight. However, the material on Blush Mark, it's cheap. I don't mind cheap. For me, it's good. For other people, it might not be. With that being said, the winner of tonight's contest is Shein. I know. I'm not giving them the winning just because they're the OG. It's just because it's more risky to buy on Blush Mark. And that's why you're here watching my review, because you're scared of buying on Blush Mark too. And I get that. With all this being said, remember to give this video a like, comment, and a subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, which you probably should have. Come on, let's go. Okay, with all this being said, and you already liked, comment, and subscribe to my videos, I will see you guys later.
You know what you look like? Oops, I did it again.
Oops,
I did it again with your heart. I'm not that innocent. Oh baby, except for my I'm not that innocent. You gotta do the Britney voice.
yeah.